Ellen here. Welcome to my Southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of you the ultimate Southern dish and one of my favorites. We love them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, even for a snack. Creamy grits. And my friends, this is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it only calls for 5 ingredients. And if y'all a fan of grits, this would be your go-to recipe. And these would be the best grits you ever had. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Southern Recipes playlist and my previous video, Maple and Brown Sugar Oatmeal. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your salt, your grits, and get your water boiling, sugar, because we're about to cook some creamy grits magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my saucepan, I got the fire over high heat. And here's the ingredient that's going to make our grits nice and creamy. It's my favorite in the world. Evaporated milk. We're going to add in 1 1/4 cups. And all we do is bring it to a boil. All right, my friends, our water and milk has came to a boil. So now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Very important. Got to flavor those grits. Now we're going to slowly add and whisk in 1 cup of quick cooking grits. Very important. When you're cooking grits, you want to make sure you whisk them so that way your grits won't be lumpy. Whisk it until it's well incorporated. Alrighty. So now we're going to cut the fire down to low. We're going to cover it. And we're going to let the grits cook for about 30 minutes. And we're going to whisk it occasionally so that way the grits won't stick. And also, if your grits is too thick, you can add in more water or milk. Alright, I'll see you in 30 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 30 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Nice and creamy. That looks great. All right, so now I cut my heat off. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. And this is a must-have in grits. Yep, butter. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons, which is a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter. Going to stir this in until the butter melts. So I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring the butter in, and then I'll pour it into my bowl and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, there you have it. Creamy grits. Doesn't that look good? And off camera, I added a big pat of butter on top. That's how we do it here in the South. We love lots and lots of butter. And you can't go wrong with extra butter if I do say so myself. And smells heavenly. Alrighty, so now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl and I'm serving mine with a little bit more butter, of course. And I like my grits sweet, so I add in a little sugar, or you can use sweetener. So now we're going to stir the butter in until it melts. Lord have mercy. This is going to be so good. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. OMG. These are super creamy. It just melts in your mouth. Smooth and perfectly cooked. It's flavorful. Oh, ain't nothing like a bowl of grits. Brings me back to my childhood. These grits are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Grits-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.